bought this Amazon pressure washer. It goes up to 4,000 psi. 160 bucks. Works pretty good. But it seems to have a proprietary bayonet spring locking system for its attachments. So for example, this comes with it, and I can actually insert it in here. And there's a spring system, and once I push it down and rotate it, then it locks in, and I can extend where the pressure goes. However, there's a different system that's available from Canadian Tire called the Simoniz system, and it has these quick connect, 1/4 inch quick connects. If I want to use this, it has a different end. Using this rotary tool, I guess you can call it a dremel, typically used for nail filing. I was able to shave down this guy so it got closer to this guy. This is the Patoolio kind of proprietary connector. And this is the one that was on the Simoniz with a Z at the end. I had to shave down the diameter of this portion. I had to shave down this collar so that it would kind of match this diameter. This diameter was larger. This diameter was larger than this diameter. And these little locking nubs. This one was a little bit taller. Sorry. Turn that off. This one was a little taller than this one, so I also had to shave off the end of this a few millimeters so that the length from here to here would match. So this is the end that I shaved down, and this is the Patoolio. So the Simoniz now now it's gone in. Normally it wouldn't fit, and then that section is locked into that tall portion. So it's locked. So because there's a O-ring in there, that should allow pressurized fluid to flow from the Patoolio into the Simoniz, which has the quarter inch female end quick connect. And with that, you can attach a lot of the different types of things you can get off Amazon as well. That's where the Patoolio came from, $160, 4,000 psi. You can connect something like this, which is quite affordable, and then now you have an angle. Whereas the Patoolio only had straight portions. So there you go, custom mod. Just took some dremeling here, and I'm going to attempt to do my skylights. You can see there's a bunch of dirt on the top. I haven't been able to clean these for 5 years. It's been 90 degree, you can see my 90-degree bend using quick connects. And my trigger is right here on my right hand. My left hand's trying to guide the nozzle that you cannot see. Let's see what we can do here.